What's up, Hammer? Oh, looking smooth with the hair.
Smooth after shower.
Gee. I bought a couple more parts for my car. Oh shit. Don't mind me, I'm sick guys, but it's okay. I'm gonna need my assistant. Assistant, hold the camera.
Assistant, I am the assistant. Hi. Nice to see you again.
Oh, so I didn't get to vlog this, but I actually picked up my Cobb access port. I found a really good deal on it, and Clyde guessed that I paid, how much he said?
500.
He said I paid 5. So I want you guys to guess how much I paid for it. Let me know in the comments down below how much you think I spent on this. Anyway, yeah, so I'm now actually running stage 1 on my WRX. Pretty fun, but that's not what the vlog is gonna be about today. So this came in the mail the other week, but I didn't have time to install it, so until today I picked up this cheap, what's it called, shifter stop. I think Perrin makes them. They're like 30 bucks for just the shifter stop, and then I also got the shifter bushing, which is like another 30 bucks. I mean, these are not the Perrin type, so these are cheaper. I actually got these for $20 total. So I mean, if you look at it, it's pretty good, huh? The quality,
Yeah, pretty good.
yeah.
Pretty cherry.
I actually think it looks better than the Perrin ones. For the price you pay, you know, this is like solid. I forgot what material it is. What you think? Aluminum or something? I want you to lift up the truck, or I'll do it.
You
Oh,
do
you
it.
wanna do it?
Here, I'll do it.
Okay. Bang. Yeah, so I got the Perrin. I got the Perrin intake for steel. I think these retail for like 400. What is your guess? How should I guess on this too, Clyde?
I don't know, 250?
250, okay. Okay. Clyde guessed 250. I want to know your guys' guesses too on this. Then I will reveal the price I paid for these in the next video. So make sure to subscribe. Okay. Supposedly this shifter stop is supposed to take out the slack from first and second gear. So let me just show you. You see all the slack in first gear, second gear. There's so much play. So I think this was supposed to just have it stay still. So we're gonna take out shift knob. I don't want to break it. Oh, there you go. Oh. Yeah, so this thing's supposed to go here. So let me grab my tools.
Oh, pretty easy then.
Yeah. It doesn't come with an Allen key, and I'm looking at this. You need an Allen key.
My answer is no.
Okay.
Because I don't have my tool.
We'll be right back. Pop these bolts out. The 2 bolts. Like that.
No, I don't need that big. That's too big.
This is the one we need for the brand.
Oh, here you go. I don't know. You gotta look through this.
See?
Or just tell me when to bring my tools, guy.
Okay, I didn't know I was gonna do this. I felt like vlogging today because I missed you guys. Or I felt like I was leaving you guys out of my life. Or at least out of my car life. Okay, so we got the stopper in. Oh, and if you guys want to pick up this cheap knockoff brand, I'll put the link down below. That way you don't have to spend like 60 bucks on something that works the same. Oh, chronic, yeah. Smoke too much batu.
Here, Raja.
Yeah, you.
That look like 1.7, eh, Kazi?
7.
Oh, no, tell me you know 1.7.
It says 6, 8. Fucking Walmart, bro. That's why I don't buy my tools from Walmart. Got this for free.
Number 1.7. That's the thing you need. Number 1.7.
Anybody got 1.7 in the motor?
Anybody got a 7 open wrench?
Make sure to not drop this. This is gonna fall in. I swear to God, if this thing drops in, I'm screwed. Slowly. Whew. Make me nervous.
You still get one more, bro.
Yeah, let me do that one after.
A few moments later.
So I just finished installing the bushing. I'm gonna go test it out right now. Let's see the finished results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feels shorter. Let's just wait till we test drive it. How's Clyde's dad though? Look at that innovation right there. He got the right technique down. Nice your little pole for cleaning your car mop.
No, this one is for cleaning stuff.
Cleaning what? The car?
Yeah. This one? It's not that much.
It's like car wash, bro.
Cherry.
This is rubberized.
298 frozen patties later.
After about 3 hours, we're done. What do you think of the Perrin intake?
I think it's nice. You know?
Let me show you real quick. Just how it looks in the engine bay. Too bad it's dark. So this is the intake. Oh fuck.
That's what it is.
Looks clean. So I've heard you can run this thing stock or on a stage 1 tune because it's pretty much like a stock intake because the diameter of the tubing is like 2.5 inches, which is the same as stock. So I'm gonna go tune, reflash the stage 1, and then we'll take it for a spin. Stage 1, 91 octane, P302. Change map success. Turn ignition off for 15 seconds. Okay. Just continue to jam for 15 seconds. I don't know the song.
Is this on the radio?
Cross our fingers.
That's a good thing.
Let's warm it up and take it for a spin. goes up or down?
No matter.
Do a couple pulls.
Oh yeah, you could hear it more now.
Stage 1 is cherry, yeah.
Stage one's chair.
Oh, the shifter feels good too.
Oh yeah, we forgot about the
Yeah.
shifter.
Oh man, it's shorter.
Notchy, yeah.
Yeah, notchy. Let's play. Let's try with the back windows rolled.
Oh, this thing sounds good, really.
We got race. Let's race some fuckers. Now, how's the stage 1 though?
Nah, it's good. It's like a comfortable. Yeah. Stage 1 is chair.
Bruh. I think that's gonna be it for the video.
This car's fast.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.